Where'd you get shot at, buddy? Hey, let me see.
We gotta check you for wounds.
Can you take your jacket off? No. Did you get shot at?
The video for today is about a man named Scott. You might recognize him from being on the channel several times before.
Hey, Bob. Yeah. Hey, wake up. You're fine. You're fine. Relax. Relax.
Whoa.
You were sleeping in the middle of the road, bud.
I'm sorry,
Here,
boss.
just walk over to my car. I'm going to give you a fist bump on the way, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry, boss.
No, you're fine. Let's just walk over. We'll have a seat. I'm going to make sure you're good. I know you're saying a lot of things that are... I see your head. What happened there?
Man, I fucking was carrying a load tray and smacked dead square and bam.
Hey, go and put your shoe on while we're here. Have you been staying anywhere, Scott?
Boss.
No?
Hey,
Hey,
nobody, man.
Shoe on. Shoe on. We gotta stay focused, remember?
Huh?
You did good when you focus. Go ahead and stick that shoe on, bud.
Yeah, shit.
Good job with the seatbelt. Do me a favor and pull your pants up when you get out, okay?
I know, okay.
Yeah, you'll walk in on your own, but go ahead and step out.
I know, but I don't.
Go ahead and, it'll be okay. Go ahead and pull your pants up for me, Scott.
Mine hurts. Whoa. Ow.
Pull them up. I called the hospital ahead, so they're gonna be waiting for us, okay? Go ahead and step over here so I can shut the door. All right.
Earlier this year, he was in a rehab facility, and I was fortunate enough to be able to visit him and help document his story. While we were talking, he told me about the incident that ultimately got him into rehab. Basically, he walked out of the hospital after a major spinal surgery and went straight to a drug house. This caused his incision from the surgery to become infected. One night, he was forced to crawl to a nearby gas station to call for help. In his state of mind, with the pain he was dealing with, he actually believed he had been shot. I'll let him finish the intro in his own words. How did you get here?
Man, it took a near-death experience. So I had surgery on my neck because when they originally did my surgery, they put 2 screws in my neck. Well, they were pushing through the front, so they had to go in and do a surgery and correct it. And when they did, I got a major infection in my back. Mm-hmm. Well, you know, at that point in time, I was still getting high and stuff. So, never forget, I came out of the trap house or whatever, and I could barely walk, and it just felt like I got shot in my back. And I'll never forget, I like crawled up in the certified gas station, I think it was. And I told him, I said, look, I got shot.
Is it the one at Oral and Broad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they came, the cashier was like, oh my God, he did get shot, because there's blood everywhere and gush and shit.
911, what's the location of your emergency?
3204 West Broad, the certified gas station.
What's the emergency?
There's a man in here saying that he needs us to call 911. He looks like he's in extreme pain.
Okay, I mean, is he, like, obviously injured, bleeding, or?
He's not bleeding, but what's wrong with him? He got shot in the back? He says he got shot in the back.
He's right there, sir. He said he got shot in the back.
Where'd you get shot at, buddy? Hey, let me see your arm. Can you take your jacket off? No. Did you get shot at?
I think I am. When I was walking this way.
Can you take your jacket off? Did you get shot?
I think I don't know.
How do you don't know?
Yeah, I'm so bad.
Take your jacket off for us.
Here, sit down. Sit down. Can you sit down? Let's do that. Let's start there. Sit down.
Have a seat.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
All right, man. Can we get this jacket off? Doesn't look like it.
He has a bunch of sores and stuff like that. So from like,
We gotta check you, buddy.
oh, ew. A bunch of sores and stuff. Boy, am I glad I have that.
I don't think you're shot, but you might have to go to the hospital.
Lou. Pardon me. So where this happen at, man? Did you get a good look at this fella?
Were you at the apartments? You got an ID on you?
Yeah, give me a second. What's your social, Ben?
You're good, my man.
What's your name, sir? Scott. I'll be back. I'm gonna check his info.
Where's it at on your back, pal? Upper back, lower back?
Roll over and pull your coat up. There you go. Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus. That is awesome. It's like stitched. He's already He's clearly already had it brained.
Hey, how long? When did you have that
Medical professionals are here.
surgery?
We can all leave.
A couple weeks ago.
How just come in as a shooting? I don't know. Because he said he got shot. He told them he was shot. I guess maybe you got punched in that. I bet it hurts. That looks awesome. I'm waiting for like the little baby to come out. He goes, I bet it hurts. He goes, yeah. You hear me? We're gonna help you up, okay? Ready? That is gnarly.
Strong.
Did you see that?
I watched that. I see the muscles are well strong.
That is super sweet.
Not a head, but strong.
Thanks, guys. Sorry.
Looks like he bailed some fucking hay in his day. More like
Long-term medical issue that you take care of right by the who? The medical professionals. Thank you. The medical professionals are here. All the police department can leave.
There she is.